friends! Today, we'll learn about animals. Let's go meet them one by one. This is a lion. Roar. This is an elephant, big and strong. Pawoo! This is a monkey. They love to climb.
Ooh, ah. Ooh. Ah.
This is a dog. Woof, woof. This is a cat, cute and soft.
Meow.
This is a cow. It gives us milk. Moo. This is a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. This is a horse, fast and strong. Neigh. This is a sheep, fluffy wool. Ba. Ba, ba. This is a bird. It can fly. Tweet, tweet. Yay! We learned so many animals today.
Hello.
See you next time, friends. Bye.